Hey, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So we want to use that CSRF code to fix our image problem, but let's also add it to the courses, this tab here. So I'm going to go back to my code and copy what I have done here. This is course landing page. All I need to do now from now on every form is copy this code, and let's go to that second courses images. After the form, anywhere inside the form, as long as it's within the form, then we are good. So I'm going to paste that there like so. Okay, great. And refresh. We should see it when we inspect the element and check out the form. Where is the form? All right, click here, inspect. Okay, so there it is now. It's a hidden CSRF code and then that unique value. Now what I want us to do is use the table to save that code. So I'm going to go to admin section. So where we upload the course image right here, because when we upload, wait a minute, wait. Okay, so it's right here when we are uploading a course image. I want to look for when we are saving the temp image. So okay, so right here, course image temp is equal to destination, right? So we are saving this to a temp. So right when we are doing this, we should also save the code. Okay, so right here, I will say update. With this here, I'll just add one more item. So I'll put a comma and say CSRF code, and then point to whatever code was sent in there. So CSRF code like this. Okay, good. That should do it. All right. Now the only thing we need to do is make sure that we're actually sending this code. So let's check to in courses view. Where is that? Courses view. Courses view. Okay. Down to the JavaScript. So when we are sending upload course image right here, let me see what we are actually doing. Add event listener. I want to see what we are sending. Okay, so we are sending the data type, the tab name, the image. This is all we are sending. So we should send the code as well. So I'm just going to say CSRF code like that is equal to. So now we need to grab that item. So what I'll do is inside functions where I created this input, I'm going to just give this a class name so that I can grab it at any moment that I want to. So just say JS-CSRF code like that so that it's easy to grab. So back to courses view, and I'm just going to use the same document.query selector, copy that, and let's put it in here. Bam. So document.query selector, let's select the JS CSRF underscore. Oh wait, is it dash code or underscore? Underscore code. So underscore code like this. Okay, so we grab that, not the inner HTML, we just want its value as our value that we're going to send here. Okay, good. So once we are sending that as well, that's great. If we come back here, we will be able to add it here. So remove that space and let's see what happens. So if I now go to my database, here's the code. If I click browse, you notice that none of, oh wait, we already saved one? Wow, that was quick. Okie dokie, I guess. Photography for beginners, yeah, that's the one right there. So we can see if it will save a new one this time. Why did it save this though? That's weird. 424, it saved the previous one. So let me just check this. Oh yeah, I guess it's saved because the update allows it to save. Okay, I got it. So this actually works to our advantage. So if every save will save the code as well, all we need to do is check if the code is the same, and then we can maintain it. So now this one saves the code as well when we upload the image. So when saving, where is that saving thingy? So right, check if a temp image exists. Okay, so right here where we are saving, so if the raw image is not empty and there's an actual file, now there's one more thing we should check, and that is if the code is exactly the same. So we already know that the raw contains the current content, so I'm just going to say and, wait a minute, raw, instead of course temp image is going to be CSRF code, like that, is equal to the code that was just sent in the post, which is this one. So copy that and let's paste it there. Boom. Okay, good. Very good. Let's see if this solves our problem. So I'm going to replace this with Shakira, or let's try JLo. I should remove that. Where is that? Courses view. Let me look for all console.logs that are useless. Console.log. Okay, just find the next one. No? Nothing? Console.log. Okay, there's only one. Why is it showing me? Oh, there's alert here actually. That's what I needed to see. So once I save, okay, data, that's fine. So it's alert I should look for, not console.log. Let's see. Okay, so response text here when we upload a course image. So that is completely unnecessary. So I'll remove that. Okay, now we have this image, right? And we haven't saved. Keep in mind, we haven't saved. So I'm going to go to another tab. Okay, we haven't saved. Let's come back to this tab. So of course there's this one, but in the old times, if we save now, we should get the other image when we replace. There's Ed Sheeran. Now as you can see, Ed Sheeran remains. But let's try again and save JLo. And this time we actually save. And say successfully saved. Let's refresh. Did it save? Yes. So that sorts the problem out completely. So this is good. Now our problem is solved. What we need in the next video is to what do we need? What do we need? Yes, we need to upload the image. Actually, let's do this right now. We don't need to wait for another video because we already have the basics of what we are doing here. We just need to duplicate everything and just change the names of the thing. So course uploading image, AJAX course image is equal to null. Why do we need this? Oh, okay, that's the AJAX itself. Great. This is looking good. So all we need to upload something else, or like a video, is to duplicate this part. So I'm just going to grab everything here and duplicate. Let's duplicate, including this AJAX console. So Ctrl Shift D to duplicate. And all I need to do is change every instance of image from here. So select that one and Control D to just change every instance of image. Now be careful not to go overboard here. We just want to change this up to the end of the page here. So Shift D for every instance of image, and being careful not to wrap around the image. So this is the last one, so I can, or second last, and then the last one I press Control D one more time and change that to video, and then we should be good. Okay, so AJAX video course, CSRF code, nice. We'll do exactly the same thing. Append, this is video, okay, file, that's great. Data type, upload, course video, great. Tab name, tab. Okay, so everything translates very well. So abort, everything actually translates really well. The only thing is, let's see, JS video upload info. Yeah, everything should translate. The only thing is display a preview, and we need to change here because we can't display. Instead, we're going to load the video. Okay, so please wait while the other video uploads. Great. The file types we want just MP4, nothing else. So let's remove everything else here. Great. Other formats are not good. Maybe you can do FLV, I guess, but MP4 is the thing now. So allowed types, there we go, to lower, and only files of this type allowed. Great. And instead of img, img.source. Okay, so let's just change this img to, I don't know what I can change it to. I don't know, video or something. JS video upload, create object URL, and this should work. Video upload preview, good. Everything should work as intended. Now, once we are done with this, what are we doing? There's no handle result function. Okay, everything seems pretty standard. The only thing now is we need, if I go to courses landing page, I just need to duplicate what is on the, this is upload your video, right here. I just need to duplicate the same thing here. Now, instead of an image here, wait a minute. This one has a class name, right? So I'm going to copy this, copy, and put it right there. Boom. Change image to video. Okay, great. Actually, I should change this to a video tag. So let me try this. Video. Video must have a source, and then it's need to have a type, which is a video / MP4, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, that should do. And probably these styles should do as well. Style is equal to, let me copy this and put it there, 100%. Good. Okay, so the rest of this looks pretty standard because I have video cancel button. Okay, everything looks cool. Yep. Only that on change, I should add this. So copy that. So input, where is my input tag? Right there. Let's put that on change class. And instead of image, let's put a video, because everything translates well. Same thing on the type is equal to button, and then the let's copy that, the cancel button. Okay, so type is equal to button is already there, so just replace all of it. Change image to video, so it goes to the right function. All right, good. Let's try and refresh and see what new things we have. All right, cool. Now let me try and browse. Okay, wait. The default for this is 25%, so let me put that at 0, and that is 0 as well. But curiously, this, oh, okay, they are all there. This ideally should be hidden, I guess, the progress bars, but you can hide them and show them as you need. Let's try and upload an image. So say only files of type MP4 are allowed. Okay, so it's working. Well, let's go somewhere where I can actually get a video file. So I'll try this one right here. Oh, looky there, it's uploading. Very cool. But it did not show anything here instead. So let's see what's going on. So the image has the class that I want. So instead, let me grab this and move it into the video section, that class right there. And let me get the source from here and grab. Instead of get image, what do I have here? I have this row course image, and I'll put that here instead as the source. Course video. Let me just make sure that actually exists. Course image, course promo video. Why did I course image, right? I should have just named it course video. Easier that way, but it is what it is. So let's come back to courses view. Wait, is that where I am? Nope. Admin. I'm lost. Where am I supposed to be? Course landing page, of course. So let me paste this here. Okay. I've missed a, okay, there we go. So just in case. Source. Okay, that should do very well. So refresh. Let's browse this again. Remember that we have nothing to catch that video on the other side. So, there we go. So at least we have the thing loaded here. Very good. Let's add a controls to the video control. So we'll say controls like that. Controls, so that it shows some controls. Okay. Okay, so what we can do here is we can just check if there's something in the courses video, then we show one of the two. So here in PHP, I can do this. I can say PHP if file exists. Oops. Interesting choice here. Okay, if fire exists, then let's show this. If not, let me just do if not fire exists, then we show this, and then we do an else statement, right? And if over here. Cool. So let's move these guys inward like this. Alrighty then. Wait, what's going on? What's going on here? I just clicked something. Okay, there we go. Alright, so let's refresh. So currently we are showing this, which means this will not be visible. Not cool. Okay, so this won't work for me actually, because then I can't grab this. Okay, let's change this function from get image to get video. We shouldn't care about whether the video appears or not. So I'll grab this. Where is this? Actually, this wouldn't even have worked at all. Let me grab this. Get video. And close that there. Like this. Okay, so let's remove the image altogether. Let's see what we get by default. Okay, so syntax error, I don't even want to check the syntax error. I already know I have these end if without anything in there, so probably not a good idea. Okay, so we have that video thing, that hideous thing. Now, of course, we can make this look better, but let's concentrate on what's important now. Where are my buttons though? What's going on here? What did I do? Okay, let me undo a few times. Let's see. Because it can be very hard sometimes to figure out what you have done wrong. Let me move that. Okay, at least I can see both now. So what happens if I remove the image? Will I see both? Yep, I do see both. So let me put a max width here. Let's say max width 200 pixels. Let's see what that does. Doesn't seem to change anything at all. Maybe let's say 100 pixels. Let me just be sure. Doesn't seem to change anything. Anyway, we'll style this better over time, but for now let's keep it as it is. Okay, so things should work like this now. Let me just click browse and we will style it better, we promise. So there, loading, blah. Okay, maybe if we just did, oh, we are putting the styles on the wrong place, I guess. This is why. So sorry, my bad. Let's move the styles in here in the main thingy itself. Okay, so refresh. There we go. So browse, let's get to, okay, there we go. Uploading, done. Okay, so now I can actually play this. Let me mute that. Let me just play this. As you can see, I can play the thing even before I was done uploading. It could play because it loads immediately. So let me show you that in case you really want to see it. What other videos do I have here? So while this is loading, right, I can play it here and it's playing. Okay, because this is loading from the local machine while it uploads like that. And of course we can cancel the upload at any moment. Let's make sure that can actually work and cancel. Okay, upload aborted. Great. So it actually works as intended. We just need some code to receive this video on the other side.